Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on NFC and confirming a secure lock screen. This prevents accidental payments. Next, install Google Pay and sign in so your cards sync across devices. Add a card by photographing it or typing the number, then follow your bank's verification, often a code or app confirmation. Once added, make that card your default for contactless purchases. This saves time at checkout and ensures the right card is charged. When you pay, unlock your phone and hold the top edge near the terminal. You'll feel a vibration or hear a beep when the transaction completes. For transit or loyalty, add each pass under passes and select it before tapping so the reader recognizes it. Make sure authentication rules are set. Require PIN or fingerprint for high value or all payments to reduce fraud. Once done, the terminal processes a tokenized charge rather than sharing your real card number, which protects you. After the tap, open Google Pay to confirm the transaction and view the receipt. This helps with returns or disputes. Manage cards under payment methods to update expiration dates or remove lost cards and add backups for travel. If a payment fails, first toggle NFC off and on, then restart your phone. Make sure the bank hasn't placed a hold and that you have network or cellular access. If problems persist, verify card verification steps with your bank so future taps work smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.